What's going on, guys? This is a quick video. I just want to show you how to start a Tecumseh motor on a snowblower. This is a 8 horsepower, but it's very similar to the 5 horsepowers, the 10 horsepowers. The 7 horsepower, slightly different, but not much. First thing you want to do, make sure you have the fuel shut-off switch on. Some don't have it. I always put them on these because I like to keep the carburetors dry when I'm not in use. Make sure that there's fuel inside. You're going to turn this choke lever over so that it's closing off the choke. Make sure there's a key in it if it's connected. You want to bring the throttle up at least halfway, maybe 3/4 of the way. Give it a couple pumps. Now this particular motor does not have a electric start on. If it does, you can plug in the starter, hit the button, it should turn over. Once it turns over, we're going to turn that choke back to about halfway. You're going to get a little bit of smoke coming at her, no big deal, but give it a few primes, give it a pull. Well, I turned the choke off a little too soon, so you're going to let it warm up a little bit longer. Give it another prime. And that's how you start it. Obviously the 8-10 horsepower is going to be a little louder than your typical 5 horsepower motors. I can make another video for the 5 horsepower, but it is exactly the same. So got any questions, guys, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think, if you have any other tips about starting these. But that's how I start my snowblowers. And make sure you check out my other information about cleaning them and servicing them, and your traditional maintenance of a snowblower. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.